Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today in this video I just like to show you how to make your Facebook followers public. People can see your followers number on your profile. So how can you do that? In this video I will show you that. So for that you just need to open on your Facebook application. Now you need to select on the top right corner 3-line menu bar icon. Now scroll down and select on settings and privacy. Now select settings. Okay, now scroll down and here you can see followers and public contents option. Open on this, and now who can follow me, you just make it public, and who can see your followers on your timeline, it's also make public. And after that your followers can see your friends or other people's how many number of your followers, they can see that. So I hope you can understand and hope guys this video can help you. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel.